Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and quick review of this KILMAT Car Sound Deadening Mat. Now, before you purchase this, there's one thing that I learned that's really important. They sell this in a couple different sizes, so you want to make sure you get the right size for your project, and you just look to the details to find that out. And right here, so I have the 80 mil, and it covers 36 square feet. And each sheet size is 9.8 by 15.7 inches. So make sure before you order that you get the right size for whatever you need. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this. As you can see, I have 3 boxes here. I have a lot of sound deadening to do. And it comes with an instruction manual here, and then each piece of KILMAT. And hey, if you're getting value, hit that thumbs up below for me. And to install this, all you do is you peel this back. That's that butyl tape right there underneath, and then you stick it down. Very important. From all the research that I've done, you're going to definitely want to get the tools that help to roll this in, because it really helps once it's rolled in to help with that sound deadening. So yeah, I'm redoing a Sprinter van. I have serious amount of KILMAT to put down. Looking forward to getting started.